Hey everybody, Troy and Melanie from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We are going to get some food here.
Look at
Oh, there's cucumbers starting to grow. Very nice.
We have a lot of summer squash.
Summer squash is doing well.
Ready.
Oh, look at that. That's
harvest.
nice. That's very nice.
We have
Look at that.
another one in the back.
Beautiful. There's one up front.
Oh yeah, that one.
These are spreading so nice now. Why are the vines collapsing here though?
It's because there's no space inside, I think.
I don't know. So she just got another one. Look at the size of that thing when she hauls it out. Wow. One of these lasts us for a few meals. Wow.
The other one I harvested.
You know, we can't grow much here, but what we can grow grows in abundance. That one's almost starting to turn hard on the outside. Once the summer squash and zucchini start here, we really do well. We really, really do well. Now, what are these? Is that bok choy?
Yeah, I think it's very hot, which is some of them are getting flower. They're
Oh, because it's
very
too
young.
hot now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're very young, but
right.
they won't.
So we've got, look at, look at all that. I mean, that's one thing that grows here, the squash and zucchini. There's another one in a couple days. There's more, three more right there in a couple days. That keeps us eating good. Okay, now we've got kale. We've been eating. The only thing that's growing in my greenhouse is the kale. And she's been harvesting it for us.
Yeah.
And we've been eating it regularly. So I guess there's some success in my greenhouse.
The more you harvest the kale, the more they produce more leaves.
The more you harvest, the more they produce. Good. Very nice. So we got the kale. My corn is starting to grow, but there's no chance of it doing anything. And the tree's alive. The tree's reaching for the sky. Oh, wow. This is from her. Wow, from her bed. Now here, this area is bearing the most fruit we've ever had. We have actual heads of cabbage, which we've never had before. So Melanie is doing better than I ever did. And here's a mess of salad greens and more kale. And I mean, everything here. There's another cabbage. Tomatoes, we can't grow tomatoes here. There's one little tomato, but that's it. The plant hasn't grown since the day we brought it home. What, 2 months ago?
Yeah.
It's sad.
And then here.
And she wants to harvest the
Kale. Oh,
broccoli. Nate, you said they're starting to go yellow?
Yeah.
Oh, they are. Oh, but still, that's the biggest broccoli heads I've ever had. That's the best we've ever had.
Never plant broccoli.
Well, you did
This
good.
is gonna be special.
I'll give you credit. You did good. Look at
How
that.
big is
That's
that?
actually bigger than the grocery store. That's bigger than the crowns you get at the grocery store, at least around here.
That is.
I guess we can't complain.
No.
And
I
then,
don't know if this one you still can eat it.
I don't know. I've never tried.
Okay.
You can probably eat the leaves. So we've got 3 broccoli crowns,
Yeah.
which is a fair amount of money right there in value if you were to buy it. Oh, I love that. Just plain,
$3.
raw. $3 for how much?
For one of this.
For 1 crown is $3. So I love that with ranch dressing, straight up.
And that's gonna be our dinner.
Dinner tonight, fresh out of the garden.
This one.
Look at that. That's healthy. Really nice. So one of them had a couple flowers opening up, so we have to eat them.
Yeah, I think the other one.
Yeah, it has a flower.
Still.
So she's going to get all of them.
Do you think it's still growing?
That one, I might wait a day or two.
That's
It's
what I was
smaller.
thinking.
Yeah,
Get
we'll
this
give that
to
one
the-
a chance. And that'll go to the animals.
Yep.
All right. Is there anything else out here?
Um.
And there's our beans. We plant beans and peppers, and that's it. No matter what we try, different soil types, different areas, different environments, watering every day, they just don't grow here. Because we have 40s at night and 80s and 90s by day, I think they go into shock.
Yeah.
It's the only explanation we have is that they go into shock. Look at the size of this plant. You can't really see it. Oh, there's one that rotted. Probably too wet. Let me pause. So she's harvesting spinach and what?
Sweet chard.
Swiss chard.
So this is our fifth harvest.
Fifth harvest, and we got a huge basket each time. And there's another little squash zucchini thing coming.
Oh wow! Yeah.
And those you planted from seed, right?
Yeah.
So that's all good. We have all of our squash and zucchini plants are planted from seed. Now we did start them earlier in our little greenhouse this year, and they did succeed. Like I said, those are something we can grow in this property, and always could grow. Yeah.
They're really good size.
Right. Nice healthy leaves. Very, very good food. We eat this a lot now. Well, there's a massively growing pile of food. That's a big basket, and that is filled up. Look at that. That is a lot of food. Now, a lot of it you blanch and freeze, right?
Yeah, some of them.
Yeah, because it's a lot. It's way too much for us at one time.
Yeah, most of them.
So we will at least have some food from our garden for winter. But it's not like we put in peas, beans, tomatoes, and corns like we wanted to. But we do have a lot of greens and squash. Well, guys, that's a start. We're learning what grows here and what doesn't in this environment. Hey everybody, just a brief little clip to let you know that I'm working on Patreon. I'm sitting here in my office, and I am giving a little bonus for everybody who subscribes to my Patreon account. Even $1 gets you in, $1 a month will get you in there. From now on, I am going to write a blog post detailing every video that is to come before the video is uploaded, because it takes me many hours between getting a video processed on the computer by the time it's doing its job to uploading and getting it live. Takes quite a few hours, sometimes half a day, to get that done. So from now on, I will be writing a blog post on Patreon to give you a detailed description of the video before it comes. So I cannot give my Patreon members a video before the video because it just takes hours to do. And sometimes it takes 5 hours to upload a video. So that's very awkward for me. But what I can absolutely do is the blogging. So I started that today. Go on and check that out. The link's down below in the comments and the descriptions if you want to go check that out and get a detailed description. And it's one way to get you guys to read my descriptions. Nobody ever reads my descriptions. We'll see how that works. I've been studying the YouTube algorithm and how things work and how to improve my channel. And two things I've learned is it'll help me greatly if you can like my video, thumbs up, like my video. That will help tremendously to get my videos out there and more presented on the homepage of YouTube and to my own subscribers. I have 137 plus thousand subscribers, over 137,000 subscribers, and I'm getting under 1,000 views per video. And I think that what's going on is the interaction on my video is less, therefore YouTube won't show it as much. So every thumbs up helps, guys. Help me out and give me a thumbs up on every video from now on. Also, if you leave a comment, just say, hey, how's it going? Happy day, whatever. That'll help a lot. Any interaction on the videos is going to help a lot from now on. And I try to answer as many comments as I can. So if you've got a question about what's going on about the video or life on a homestead, please feel free to leave a comment, and I try to answer them all as much as I can unless I'm really, really busy. So hope to see you on there.